TikTok is incredible for reach, but trying to close a deal inside the app can be tough. With Manychat automations, you can capture and engage leads right on the TikTok platform. Then when it's time to seal the deal, move them to WhatsApp. The truth is that there's no seamless way to move your TikTok audience into WhatsApp right now. But that doesn't mean that you're stuck. I've got 3 smart workarounds to help you make the jump without an algorithm third-wheeling the conversation. Option 1, the power move. Set up a TikTok automation that asks for phone numbers. Then use conditions to check if they actually dropped one. Once they're qualified, boom! Manychat fires off a WhatsApp message using a messaging template. WhatsApp outbound messages cost a little, like 7 cents per marketing message if you're in Brazil. But by capturing and qualifying leads on TikTok first, you're only moving the high intent ones, the ones who actually want to buy. So every cent spent is an investment in actual revenue. This one's gold for businesses that need fast, high intent leads. You're in control, reaching out first. Now, if you don't want to pay for WhatsApp messages, I respect it, I get it. Here's a simple hack. Add a wa.me link in your TikTok bio. It's basically a direct teleportation portal to your WhatsApp. The downside, it's not instant. People have to leave your TikTok profile and then message you. But hey, at least it's free, and free is always good. Last option, set up a TikTok automation to qualify the leads first. Then share your WhatsApp number and tell them to message you. Something like, message me on WhatsApp and I'll send you the details. Here's my number. This works great if you've already got an engaged audience. No cost, no extra tools, just you, your audience, and Manychat handling the heavy lifting. The only catch, you're relying on them to take the next step. But the upside, the ones who do message you are definitely interested and way more likely to convert. 3 options, 1 goal. Capture and qualify your TikTok leads while engagement is hot. Then move them to WhatsApp to seal the deal. Because views don't pay the bills, but conversations do. And if you need a step-by-step guide to setting up your very first TikTok automation, we've got a tutorial waiting for you in the description. Now go turn those TikTok conversations into WhatsApp conversion.